Baby Alive?
Huh?
Nothing, I'm just telling everybody
Excuse me.
that you're playing with Baby Alive.
Excuse you.
Use her bib. Use her bib, baby.
Is it playtime? You have to eat. I'm such a big girl. She's such a big girl. This is good.
She made her food for her.
I'm still hungry. More, please. I'm really thirsty, Mommy. You have to eat.